I'm starting a new series today to talk about ISO standards, the global international standards built around information security but do touch privacy, security, and of course, artificial intelligence. Welcome to my YouTube channel where you've been watching new content on data privacy on a regular basis, and we are going to now start talking about the various ISO standards. Why do we need standards? Why do we need compliances? It's very clear that there has to be a guideline which you have to follow. Some experts have to tell you that if you are going to achieve this, your risks are reduced. You would be considered as optimized, you will be considered as following best practices. Why are they required? Of course, best practices and standardizations, because the volume of data is increasing and volume of sensitive data is rather increasing more. Anything financial you want to do, you have an app available. Hardly takes a few seconds. Anything healthcare, there are apps available. You enter your personal information, including your blood test report. You'll get a doctor on call. He'll suggest you medicines. Everything has become so simple. But you are sharing your personal information along with your blood reports. I'm talking of very, very basic medical test. So you're sharing your sensitive personal information. And therefore, there is a need to maintain security and privacy. There's a demand for handling the data responsibly, and with advent of AI, with new tools coming up with respect to artificial intelligence, the risks have increased further. Therefore, you need some standards to help you. Standards also provide a proven roadmap of how the systems would work beyond the start point. So, what are the ISO standards? The International Standards Organization recognized best practices developed through collaboration of global experts. So, it's not country-wide, continent or region wide, it's global. It's applicable across all industries also. Consistent, repeatable processes, not holding anywhere, regularly updated, and it addresses emerging technologies and risks. Does not stop anywhere, which means they are regularly watching what are we introducing, and therefore they are recreating or updating their standards according to the new challenges. Benefits: as an organization, it helps you strengthen your customer trust. The more best practices you follow, you say, I'm ISO 27001 certified. It helps customers feel that you're doing something great. It helps you improve operational efficiency. It simplifies your compliances. It helps you standardize multiple regulations. It helps you reduce business and technology risks. And finally, if you are going to reduce risks, you are definitely improving your working systems and your commitment towards your working systems. Privacy, security, and AI, they all work together. Do they? Yeah. AI for me is a third party processor, and you'll upload personal information. So then the chances of breach. And where is security in that case? So privacy covers utilization of your personal information. And when it comes to your personal information, it's more of your data principles. And security protects the overall information in your organization beyond personal information also. Rather, the way we talk of security, we should say it protects everything, including personal information. Right? And AI governance gives trustworthy systems altogether. Together, they all help you build resilience, and they all definitely work together. All organizations need all the three. So governance models across all three, and most mature organizations have very good security governance. They need to add privacy and AI. These standards cover information security, privacy management, AI management, cloud, risk related to cloud, as well as privacy. What are the standards that you should use when you are talking to cloud environments? What are the practical implementations? What are the expert examples spread across various industries? Sometimes many departments are common in industry. Their working patterns may slightly be varying, volumes would be different, but departments like HR, finance, marketing, they are generally the same, right? Or I would say similar. Key takeaways: the ISO standards help you simplify complex business challenges. They complement legal and compliance issues. They help you build trust and resilience. Therefore, you need to do some practical implementation when it comes to ISO standards. I hope you like the content of this video, and as I said, this is the first of the series, so we are going to talk about the individual standards in coming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.